Fucking hell. AA van and a blue car.
What's that car on top of anyway? It's like trailer.
Trailer, yeah. How did we get them up there?
1,000 feet. Turn right on.
What is a scrub?
He looked at me, saw him pull down, knew he wouldn't get away in time.
Don't.
Yep, because you look like a bus, don't you? And you've nipped in literally like 3-4 car lengths in front. Nice.
A few moments later.
Oh, you got far, didn't you, jumping that bus lane? Off you go then. Hey. Place to overtake on a corner. Yikes. He's doing the same now, he's going to try and overtake. There's a caravan coming towards him.
Right there.
Yikes. I think he managed to make up through alright, he took the caravan.
A few inches later.
I've got an Audi in my arse now, he wants to overtake me. Fuck off. On a blind corner as well. Why? What was the point in that? Now you're in my 2-second gap.
There's a car coming.
No.
He's going to take the second one as well.
Can they go? Oh, look at that. Nice big queue of traffic. Wasn't that worth it? Oh, an impatient penis. Hole there. Do you want to go down that hole? I'm not quite sure what that was, to be honest.
somewhere to live to get them back on their feet. Because hostels and places like that are poverty traps. Because
yeah,
they're so high
don't
because
look
they're
right, yeah.
tall that you can't.
When she was with him, she put in speech, she put her head down. Now, I know people have their arguments, but this is just a shock. It's too close to home. It's horrible.
The father of a 3-year-old boy injured in a suspected acid attack has denied conspiring with 6 other people to carry out the assault. The child suffered serious burns at a branch of Home Bargains in Worcester last month. His father, who's 39, has pleaded not guilty to conspiring to commit grievous bodily harm in connection with the attack.
A Labour candidate.
Well, he's up for the red light.
That is the main thing now. And, why? May I suggest?
Go on then, yeah. Go for it. Ooh. That's rather nice.
They're £140 million. Then
It's a big old...
12 seconds later.
What was it on? Also, just everything.
Oh dear. We've had a bump.
everything. It's started offline on the machine. So, this is what I don't understand. When well, I think it does, and I think we should absolutely take into account what has to say.
Red light, you fucking twat! Very good.
Red light camera reported ahead.
Put a lot in, but I'd make it look, even more in, I think.
Imagine I use this lane.
Not allowed to.
Oh.
They all fit into one lane.
Oh. Heave ho, heave ho.
Kind of like partition to make way for the Muslim homeland of Pakistan. I mean, can you imagine how Brits would feel if the minority community wanted, I don't know, the southern part of England partitioned? I mean, obviously they'd be up in arms.
Conferencing with stunning HD video, crisp audio, and instant wireless sharing across any mobile, tablet, or desktop device.
What a knob.
But the best thing